got to sail on these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us.
Guest speaker for this morning was no other than Honorable Philomena Joey Beauty Nazareno, my good friend.
Awarded as Asia's Women of Substance and Outstanding Public Servant and Empowered in Leadership during the 8th Asia Pacific Luminar Award held in Okada, Manila. Awarded as one of the Philippines Empowered Women of Dedication and Remarkable Public Servant of the Year during the 6th Danganang Lahi Award in Waterfall Hotel, Cebu. A Sangguniang Bayang member of Moises Padilla, a businesswoman and a public servant. The woman behind the Guapanga Servicio. Let us welcome Honorable Philomena Joey Nazareno. A round of applause, please.
So let's get lost out here. No one else out
ni Dr. Rodencio is a very serious issues in our community. Young individuals, hindi na adult, nagapanaog na siya sa young individuals. So it's very concerning it. So anyone, when you hear about HIV, anong nasulod sa mind niyo?
Okay, so when we say HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So it is attack sa ating immune system. And ginatake ang ating immune system and it is a transmitted disease.
Very good. So the research gets is, as of 2023, World Health Organization statistics recorded 39.9 million, mostly from African region, and being the highest 65% of the global total. So our Department of Health has recorded 129,772 cases as of March 2024. And sad to say, or rather scary, that our country is one with the fastest increasing number of HIV. So most group of individuals that are affected are men. And out of 39.9 million, almost 1 million people died per year. So be informed. So first of all, what is HIV? HIV, or the human immunodeficiency virus infection, is a type of sexually transmitted disease that attacks the body's immune system. So what happened with HIV is, dinadestroy ang ating white blood cells. White blood cells is responsible for protecting our body from infection. How did HIV started? Din siya naghalin. So according to scientists, HIV originally came from a virus particular to chimpanzees, apes, in West Africa during the 1930s. So HIV spread from the body fluids of an infected person, including blood, breast milk, semen, vaginal fluids. So amo na siya ang mga mode of transmission sa HIV. Infected person may not experience symptoms. Others may have an influenza-like illness including fever, headache, rashes, and sore throat. After a few months, manotice nyo na swollen lymph nodes. Yung mga lymph nodes na swollen na weight loss. Naganiwang ka mo. Nga wala mo ka mo nag-diet. Nadamo pa ka mo magkaon. So sino sa mga classmate nyo ang nagniwang? Continuous fever. Sige, gibilan at biskan ka inom bulong wala na kuha. Diarrhea and cough. Without treatment, people with HIV infection can also develop severe illnesses such as tuberculosis, hepatitis, and severe bacterial infections, cancers such as lymphomas. So it's very important. Isubong na batian nyo na kung ano ang mga signs and symptoms after exposure. Kung ano nyo ito, nabatagan nyo na ito ang mga aboto ng mga symptoms. symptoms pag hindi pa rin kamo sure. Ano ang obrahon? Of course, you see your doctor. And then, blood test will be done. So, ang pinaka-common sa ato diri is rapid antigen antibody test. So, it's free. Free lang na siya sa aton nga local health centers. So, if found positive, what will you do? You seek immediate help by seeing a doctor. So in this way, you can save your life and those that around you. For the treatment, and sad to say, there is no cure for HIV or AIDS. So once you have the infection, your body can't get rid of it. So once you are infected with HIV, wala na siya cure. Ara na lang siya sa lawas mo. So that's why, no? Panungdumungid maayo before doing the thing. I think it's not worth it. So you will be under medication for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life. So be empowered. So if you know someone who is an HIV positive, and if they are willing to speak up about it, say mo, then listen. Because being diagnosed with HIV is life-changing. So you respect confidentiality and privacy of that person. Since nakabalo ka mo, nasubong ko na ng obrahon, encourage that person to seek treatment immediately. In that way, you can save the life of your friend, your family, or other significant others. So don't discriminate. Instead, show support and encouragement.
Meanwhile,
Spread awareness, not the virus. So sa mga absent, paano nyo i-summary sa ila ang ato nyo discuss this morning? I-post ang?
Yung mga symptoms, mga treatment,
So your way of spreading awareness is through ma-post ka sa imo social media about
HIV awareness.
Okay. Anong account mo sa Facebook? Kay pantayan ko. Kay malike ko.
Ezra, yeah.
Ezra yan. Saan ko ka ma-post?
Depende sa mata.
You post it as early as possible na fresh pa ang knowledge. Ha, Ezra? Ezra, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I-ano ko siya sa Facebook.
Handa barangay seminars tackling HIV/AIDS.
Yes.
Recipients from age 15 to 84 and 25 to 34.
Yes, very good. From what department? Yes! That's why you say to educate your community.
I-encourage sila nga mag-attend sa mga community services nga pwede sa mga gain knowledge ka mabas na nga ay amonikling HIV, amonikling AIDS nga dapat na kung ano ang obrahan kung dapat kung ano ang malikaway.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ang premarital sex na tinatawag malaw is very rampant. Isa from JB Filipino are not encouraged to do so. So I think first is syempre i-share ko sa mga friends.
meanwhile,
Those who are handling the program, please invite SB Beauty. She will not decline as long as she has a bigger time. So, just imagine from Thailand, pagka Saturday, gin-chat sa mga SSD officers with the ID, gin-accept nyo tayo ng invitation. Just imagine limited time to prepare. No? Thank you so much, SB. No? Wala kami kataka to invite you to be our speaker in our various programs.
So let's get lost now.